Hi, let's see how to automate the Internet Explorer application. For that, very simple 3 lines code. First, set IE is equal, create object, open parenthesis and double quotes, Internet Explorer dot application. Then within double quotes and close parenthesis, and IE dot visible is equal true. Even you can change this to false. When you change this false, what will happen is in the front end you cannot see the results. When you change this to true, then only you can see the output values. In the front end you can see the Internet Explorer window. That's the reasons we are using IE.visible. Then IE.navigate, then the URL. Just we have mentioned the URL within the double quotes. Let me run this code so we can see the results. First it will create the object. The blank object will be created. Even you can see IE.visible is equal to true. When you visible this true, then you can see the blank window. Next we are going to navigate this to the particular URL. IE.navigate of this URL. It's navigating, yeah, done. It's navigated to the exact URL. The Google Chrome page has been opened. Done. Next I'll show you how to update the values as well as how to get the values from the Internet Explorer. For that I am going to use youtube.com. Set IE is equal create object Internet Explorer application, and I am IE.visible is equal true. I am making this as true. IE.navigate of youtube.com. This is navigating to the youtube.com, and do until IE.ready state is equal to 4. So this is the default function for Internet Explorer applications. Even you cannot give the wait time, right? Application.wait here you cannot use, so you cannot confirm based on the network speed. It will refresh the window. Just now that it's refreshed, right? So at this time you cannot give the normal delay like 5 seconds or 10 seconds or even 1 minute. You cannot give the exact time frame. For that you can use do until IE.ready state is equal to 4. It will consider as it has been refreshed. So once the web page has been refreshed, directly it will move to the next step. Now it's refreshed, right? So it will move to the next step. It will wait for the window. It will wait for the window to refresh. So once everything is done, it will move to the next step. And IE.document.get element by ID of, this is the element by ID. So this is the search box, right? For that, just click on the search box and right click, inspect element. First you need to get the ID. For each and every object has separate IDs. Like IDs, even you can use the ID or else name or else anything you can use it. Let me show you. In the inspect element, it will give you the exact object name. So using this object, you can update the details directly. So for this particular particular text box, the object name is ID is, this is the most hit search item. So this is the ID for this particular text box. And dot value. So like this range, in the range we have provided, right, range A3 dot value. So here you can consider this is the range. IE already we have defined. IE is a Internet Explorer window dot document dot get element by ID. So here we are going to use the ID, right? At this time it will mention as get element by ID. So if you are using any other tags like subject, title or some other things, you need to use get elements by tag name of, you need to write the codes like that. Now you can see the text box has been updated as my learning tricks, and I need to click on this checkbox, this search button. For that I am getting the inspect element of this search button ID. So here also I am getting the ID. So I am getting the ID and I will click on this one. Now it will navigate it to the different page. Based on the input I have given, it will move to the next page. So once everything is done, IE.quiet, it will close the activated window. It will close the activated web browser. Perfect. Now it has been closed. Like this, you can use the anything, you can automate anything. Next, I will show you how to get the informations. For that, very simple. Any variables equal sign get element by value. So in the first, we are updating the values, right? Let me show you. I'll create one of the Internet Explorer. I'll navigate this to youtube.com, and here you can see it's waiting for the window refresh. It will wait until the window refresh. So once it's refresh, then it will move to the next step. So that we are using this do loop function, one of the very, very useful function. And now it's updating the values. Perfect. It's updated the values. Then you can see in the variable, you can see the values. Even I can display the immediate window, my learning tricks. For that, ie.document.get element by id of the particular inspect element name. For that, just right click and click on inspect element. It will provide the exact id for the particular object. Then you can use the particular object to get the information or update the information, or anything you can use it. Like the same, I have provided multiple examples: get the values, update the values, and how to automate the other excels. As well as how to close all the Internet Explorer window. So here is the concept for closing all the Internet Explorer window. It will close each and every Internet Explorer. Perfect. It closed everything. Like this, you can use the Internet Explorer automations. Please practice. Each and everything is very, very easy. Whenever you are practicing, you can learn with too much of everything you can learn. There is no limitations. You can learn everything.